Okay, everyone, we're going to get started on the 9:21 schedule. We're going to have warm-up for 5 minutes, notes video for 10, and 5 minutes for check-in, and 10 minutes for practice. And we can do this as a group or as an individual, doesn't matter. And then we're going to have the exit ticket. The warm-up you should have done already. That was QQQ number 6 on the target list. And let's go ahead and move on. Alright, here's the notes. Example 1. If you have 0.22, put the 22 over 100 and divide by 2, and you get 1150. You can change that fraction back to a percent by doing the putting the fraction down and comparing it to what it equals over 100. You can do this by cross multiplying. That means that 50 times x and 11 times 100, and your result is 22. So the percent would be 22%. Now, the other way that you could have done this was knowing that 50 is a multiple or factor of 100, so you could just simply multiply by 2 and 2, and you get 22 over 100 as well, and that also equals 22%. I'm going to introduce a new idea here. I do, you do. So the you do is going to be on the right side of the column. That's for you to do. I'm going to do these as examples, and then we're going to proceed with the check-in scenarios as well. Do you remember? Change the percent to a fraction. 18 over 100, and then reduce by 2, dividing by 2, top and bottom, equals 9 over 50, and then you can change the 9 over 50 to make into a decimal. Well, here again, it's over 50, so you can multiply by 2, and you get 18 over 100, and that equals 0.18. Or if you wanted, you could have done the division of dividing 9 by 50. Let's do another example. Henry saved 8% of his check. What is the value expressed as a decimal? Well, 8% is 0.08. Remember, it's not. This is equal to 8 over 100, because percent, remember, is per 100. This is not 0.8. That would be 8 over 10, or per 100, that would be 80 over 100. So, not this, this. Okay, now it's time for you to do example 2, example 4, example 6, and you should pause the video at this point so that you have a chance to do those before we do the check-in. So I'm going to allow you to have that time.